is an herbalist? What comes to mind when you hear the word herbalist? Do you think of a flower child from the 60s or Granny Clampett from the Beverly Hillbillies making up her potions and poultices? Maybe you think of a Native American Indian or an Amazon medicine man chanting as he holds on to his medicine bag. Do you think of witches or voodoo? Or do you think of those with medical training or botanists who can walk through the forest and streams and scientifically identify all the medical plants? From prehistoric times until now, medically untrained women, moms, and dads still provide the world's primary health care. Every culture around the world has used plants as their medicine. Folk remedies made with herbs and natural things like honey and vinegar were ancient knowledge passed down from one generation to the next. With the introduction of modern drugs, this knowledge was either abandoned or lost. There has been a revival of natural healing as the dangers and disappointments of modern drugs have become evident. England and some other countries recognize, regulate, and license medical herbalists. In America, herbalists are not recognized, and there are no regulating authorities to license or even define what is an herbalist. The British Dictionary defines an herbalist as a person who grows, collects, sells, or specializes in herbs, especially medical herbs. At one time, a botanist was called an herbalist. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines an herbalist as one who collects or grows herbs, or one who practices herbal medicine. There are different degrees of herbal knowledge. A clinical herbalist has studied health and medicine and could have a degree of some sort. There are herbalists who have degrees in botany or have studied and mentored under clinical herbalists. There are herbal supplement manufacturers who offer their clients master herbalist classes and degrees, and of course to promote their supplements. Naturopaths and nurses have degrees in medicine and physiology. Then there are those who are lucky enough to have had folk remedies passed down to them from one generation to the next. You might be an herbalist if you have an interest in herbs, grow herbs, or even drink herbal teas. You might be an herbalist if you study herbs and make your own herbal remedies. You might be an herbalist if you, as moms and dads, take care of your family's minor injuries and illnesses with herbs and other natural remedies. You might be an herbalist if you can pronounce echinacea. You might be an herbalist if you're pulling up your flowers to make more room for weeds. You might be an herbalist if you no longer drink tea, you drink infusions. You might be an herbalist if you stop to rescue weeds. You might be an herbalist if every injury or illness is an opportunity to test your herbal remedies. You might be an herbalist if you consider garlic the fragrance of the day. You might be an herbalist if you need a second job to support your herbal obsession. If you have visions of using and making natural remedies for you and your family, like my channel and subscribe, or visit FamilyGuideToHerbs.com. Thank you.